So close.
That was pretty close.
That was close.
Back across the door, the name. And then we're gonna head over to. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Robert here, and I'm here with
Ben Meza.
and today we are going to be trying viral TikTok life hacks. Super excited. Got some nice life hacks planned out for this video. So participating in life hack 1 is going to be me because Ben can't because he's fasting. I'm also fasting, but I am fasting a little differently than he is because of my diabetes. So apparently the top of this container is also a straw. I'll show you the actual TikTok that we're testing right now.
My mom was today years old when she found out this was a straw.
So apparently the top of this is a straw, and we're gonna test it out right now. I'm gonna scream if this is true because I've been drinking these wrong my whole life.
I guess it's true.
That makes me want to scream.
But like, it doesn't make sense to me because like if you have that, then why
Why do you, yeah?
why
do
have
they
like
make
the
it to where
twisty
you
thing
twist
you
it
can
off?
take it
Yeah.
off?
I don't understand. No.
I'm the smartest engineer.
It works. This life hack is approved. It does
Like
work.
the little green check mark.
Yeah. All right, the next one we're gonna do is actually another one that you're gonna see right now. This one is basically you like blow up a balloon a little bit, and then you press your phone into it, and it like makes a case for your phone, which that's crazy. It doesn't look that good, but we're gonna see if it works. So, what color balloon do you want?
We'll take red.
All right, in the spirit of America, I'm gonna do blue. So,
Matches.
all right, that's probably good.
I always suck at this part.
All right, you don't have to tie. No, you don't tie.
Oh, you don't tie?
No, you have to let the air out. Oh my gosh.
Oh, okay.
All right, so now you just press your phone down into it. Really hard though, because it has to go around the corners and then let the air out of the balloon. What?
No way. That's actually really cool. I mean,
Oh gosh.
why would I want to cover my only camera that works, which is my back camera?
So,
It's not bad.
yes, it works.
I mean, you can. Have
Is
it
this
like
gonna
your-
protect your phone? No.
Probably not.
If you drop this, your phone is gonna break 100%, the back and the front, if you have an iPhone 8, because mine is glass on the back and the front. So if you drop this, it's over. But it does work, so it is approved.
I do. You can probably like do this too.
Okay, camera out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
There's 2 layers.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Well, I mean, I kind of messed
when
it
you
up.
when you cut the
but-
layers out for your camera, that's what's gonna
Yeah,
happen.
So, life hack does work.
That was so scary. Okay, so that one works. It's approved. Yes. This is probably the most exciting one. So, my shoes, these are my Vans. These are what I'm wearing. I don't have shoes on right now. And neither does Ben. But my white shoes are very dirty right now. And we saw this TikTok that you're going to see right now. And it had this stuff called Kiwi Whitener in it, and I found it at Walmart. It was only like $4. It's a really small bottle, but
That's pink.
it's not actually paint.
Oh.
It's actually meant to whiten your shoes.
Okay, we're gonna try this out.
Because yours are like really canvas. You have to like push down and swipe at the same time.
Oh.
Whoa.
Whoa. That is
What?
different.
Okay, so it's kind of like paint, but It is a shoe whitener, so it's for real making the shoe look white. Okay, so let's try it on my Vans. So I'm gonna do my right shoe. No, I'm gonna do my left shoe. Alright, here we go.
2 hours later.
Okay, so it is definitely gonna take some time to do this fully, but if you look at the difference.
Yeah, his is the better example.
Yeah, so this is definitely like a Vans kind of cleaner. This kind of canvas material, but
Yeah.
that looks
The left.
extremely better. Yeah, because it looked like this one, and now it looks like that.
Yeah.
So that is solid. All right.
And my hands are now white.
Yeah, mine are all white too. You're right. All right. So this next TikTok life hack is definitely not going to work. I'm going to tell you right now. But we're going to go for it. We've got a brand new can of tennis balls. We're going to open it.
Because this is like the only thing that I can open that looks like soda.
All right. So you get a tennis. Oh, not all of them. You get a tennis ball and you cut a circular hole in it, which I'm going to do now. Yes. So we're going to carve out a circular hole. There's absolutely no way it's going to work. Like, I know. Here's the video.
So if you ever lock your keys in the car, all you have to do is grab a tennis ball, cut a hole inside of it, and then press it up against the door handle. The air pressure will cause it to unlock. Ready? Boom.
So now we're going to go test this out on Ben's car. So I'll see you there. All right, guys. So we're currently on the way up to Ben's car. That was scary.
It's loud.
So we're going over to Ben's BMW over here. So my car doesn't have keyholes on the door, so we're testing this out on Ben's. But you're supposed to cut a hole in a tennis ball. It's right there. And you're supposed to use it.
Prove that it's
your
open.
car's locked.
I'm gonna open it.
Okay, now lock it. He's locking it. Now, try it. Okay, so it's locked. Now, so you're supposed to press the tennis ball up against the door and squeeze, and the pressure of the tennis ball is supposed to open the door. It's for sure not gonna work, but we're trying anyways. It doesn't work.
I mean, that was expected, but
Yeah, I absolutely
excited.
knew. I knew when I saw this on TikTok, I was like, there's no way this works. So yeah, it does not work. We just tried. So next we're gonna be doing a match cannon, which you're gonna see right now. So, this one's pretty gnarly. When I first saw it, I was like, wow, we definitely have to do that because it's gonna be so cool. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get some Riddles wrap. And our trusty dusty knife.
if this works, it's gonna be crazy.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Ow, that's so hot.
No idea.
Ow!
Whoa!
It worked!
It went off.
It did not shoot anywhere. Oh my gosh.
How did this work? Let's go. That was. It lifted off for like a second. Oh, ooh, ooh. I don't want the matchbox on fire.
Oh god. That would be so bad.
That was-
Okay, it didn't fail
Okay.
this time.
I think we were just maybe not doing it
Yeah, I think we did
completely
it
the right way.
And now we move on to our last.
The TikTok is about to show up right now.
Okay. So, what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to have the really cheap Bic lighters. Couldn't find them. I looked for a really long time today at Walmart. I was almost late to work because of it, but it wasn't there. So, I'm having to destroy an actual Bic lighter, which kind of makes me sad because they're nice. But you're just supposed to kind of pry it open. Yeah, we have to pry this lighter open. See you in a minute. Did that see you?
No, but I definitely broke that thing. What? Wait.
No, that was me.
No,
Oh, did you?
I
Oh,
broke this
we broke
thing.
them at the same time.
Oh, we gotta see that in the video.
Okay, now you have to pry the wheel off.
That's cool.
Pry the wheel off. Wow, I'm gonna be so excited if this works, Ben. So, what you do is you pry open the lighter and these two things pop out after you get the wheel off. It's a spring and some flint. Used lighters definitely have a lot less flint than this. This is like a big amount of flint. So,
It's a big explosion.
yeah, I'm really excited because
Should
if
we
this
just throw
works,
it
I will
here?
be so happy. All right, now we're gonna go test this out. All right, guys, so we're now in this other room, and we're gonna go ahead and do this. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to hold the spring out. What if the spring gets hot?
Just hold it.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it, and if the spring gets hot, I'm gonna stop holding it.
Just try to get as much as, because it gets red.
Yeah.
Pretty quick, I assume. Throw it like right here.
I'm so excited for this, guys. Okay,
Is it
it's
gonna-
red, so I'm throwing it. Watch out, I'm gonna throw it right there, Ben.
Here, go.
Are y'all ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go. Whoa! Holy crap! That was so cool! What? Oh my gosh, it smells good.
Oh. Do we have fire?
I think so. Yeah, there's one right here. Oh my
Oh.
gosh, it's so sparky.
Oh, there it is. Here you go.
All right.
Whoa! Whoa!
That was so crazy.
Look at that.
Holy
That was
crap,
nice.
that was gnarly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of us trying out viral TikTok life hacks. Leave a like or comment or subscribe if you want to see more. From now on, if we do any more of these videos, it's going to be with my man here, Ben. So he's going to work hard and look on TikTok, and if he sees any cool life hacks, he's going to send them to me and we're going to do them.
We'll get them.
So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like and a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.